Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to customize your SimpliSafe alerts and ensure your home security system works for you. Understanding your notification settings is crucial for timely responses. Let's take a look at the options available. To get started, open the SimpliSafe app on your device, where all customization begins. Next, let's adjust your alert preferences. Navigate to the Settings menu and select Alerts. You can choose between push notifications for instant alerts or email for more detailed updates. Consider which suits you better. Next, let's ensure you have set up emergency contacts in your system for quick communication in a crisis. Need to edit or remove a contact? It's simple. Just select the contact and choose the action you want. Familiarize yourself with the various types of alerts you can customize, from sensor alerts to system notifications. Finally, let's test your alert settings. Make sure everything is functioning as expected for peace of mind. By customizing your SimpliSafe alerts, you can ensure safety and peace of mind in your home. Thank you for watching.